Hi everyone, it's Laura here from the Good to Know channel. You know that feeling? Scrolling through endless videos, podcasts, reels, all promising the one thing that will fix your energy, your sleep, your hormones? But by the end, you're so confused, like more than ever. It's information overload at its best. I absolutely get it. I've been there. At 56, I lived every bit of the exhaustion, brain fog, and hormone chaos that you're feeling right now. I've drowned in that overwhelm. What supplement do I take? When? For what? Everything sounds so urgent, so important, but who has time to unpack it all? Between work, family, and just trying to feel human again, it's beyond exhausting. And let's be real, Big Pharma and the current medical system aren't on our side when it comes to simple, natural solutions. Holistic options that actually fix the root cause? They're simply not on the menu in that system. I love doctors, many are amazing human beings, though unfortunately, they're stuck in a broken system, where Big Pharma and that system are not built to give us natural, holistic options that will actually make us well long term. For me, I needed real solutions that didn't come from another prescription or extreme fad, solutions that fit my 40-plus life. So I created the space that I wish I had years ago. Post 2020, my hormones were wrecked. Night sweats, brain fog, that constant wired but tired vibe. I'd watch hours of content, but it all seemed so scattered. Do keto, intermittent fast like this. Start with these 12 supplements. No one was saying, hey, here's the next step for someone over 40 who's juggling real life. The confusion left me frustrated and stuck. After a long day's work, I didn't want to think, I just wanted direction. Gentle guidance that respected my time and my body. And honestly, when the pandemic hit in the years that followed, the medical system's one size fits all, one direction only, pushed open my eyes wider than ever. I realized I needed real, natural, evidence-based answers, not the petroleum-based, big pharma-controlled route that profits from managing symptoms instead of fixing root causes. That's when I realized we 40-plus folks, women with perimenopause chaos, men dealing with testosterone dips and muscle loss, deserve a calm corner of the internet. A place that's not another info dump, but a supportive circle where overwhelm turns into, okay, I can do this today. So I'd like to welcome you to the Good to Know After 40 plus the Calm Health Collective group. It's my private school community for women and men 40 plus who are done with extremes and ready for sustainable, shame-free health. Think of it as an extension of the Good to Know channel you've been asking for, but interactive, personal, and zero overwhelm. Every month, we tackle one focus only. No scattered advice, no 17-step plans. You log in, see exactly what you need to do that day, and know you're surrounded by people who get it. Night sweats, shrinking muscles, slow metabolism, all of it. Just to give you an idea, January 2026 kicks off with a 31-day after 40 calm reset. Days 1 to 3, it's a gentle 36-hour reboot to drop holiday bloat. Days 4 to 31, you can pick a fasting window, a 7-minute muscle circuit, protein-first, lazy-friendly recipes that can be made under 10 minutes each, and one tiny micro habit you want to sustain per week. Plus, you'll get my exact sleep and hormone toolkit, daily check-ins with real talk voice threads where it feels like you're texting friends, as well as Friday wins where I spotlight you and my personal voice note replies every day. This is the hand-holding without the hustle I wish I had. And yes, men, this is for you too, with tweaks for prostate health, brain fog, and keeping that muscle. So, if you're like me and you're done piecing together 47 different videos, if you're ready to stop the confusion and start feeling directed, lighter, and truly supported, if you want to walk into February feeling lighter, sharper, and calmer than you have in years, join me on my school community channel, click the link below, and grab one of the 50 founding member spots at $19 Canadian per month. I can't wait to welcome you inside, answer your first voice note, and celebrate your January wins together. You've got this. You've got this. And I've got you. Drop in the comments. What's your number one health overwhelm you're ditching this year? See you in the Good to Know Thrive After 40 Collective School Community Group. Laura, 56 and thriving.